2 years, so I'm complete sympathy for everything the employees went through with P&O. But my main issue is that the media has completely misrepresented what happened. They weren't fired, it was a mass redundancy, to the point where a lot of them actually got very, very hefty.
When it finishes, you should do a slow pan across the face of it.
Every employee had a minimum of 15 grand payout, some even had 6 figures. So the tragedy, what happened to them, if they were made redundant from a company that was losing £1 million per day, at the end of the day, it's a business decision, and that happens with redundancies all the time.
Yeah, but not being sacked to being made redundant, there's quite a fine line when you're doing mass redundancies.
Yeah, I'm not disputing that, but the fact of the matter was they were made redundant. It wasn't a firing. Yes, it was done collectively as a mass redundancy. Now, I'm not denying that they essentially didn't break the law, because they've admitted that they didn't consult with the unions as part of that redundancy process. And I agree that is potentially illegal and they should have done that. But the actual practice of making someone redundant, there was nothing illegal in what they did there.
Thank you very much indeed. Tristan is in Enfield.